Hello guys, we have a question here that says two Zener diode A and B have breakdown voltages of 6 volt and 4 volt. Two Zener diodes, these are our two Zener diodes, that is A and B, and their breakdown voltages of 6 volt and 4 volt. Okay, are connected as shown in the circuit below. These are connected. Uh, okay, the output voltage V naught or V0 VO variation VO variation with input voltage linearly increase with time is given by V input is 0 at t time equals to 0. Okay, so we have to find the output voltage VO variation with input voltage linearly increasing with time. So let's move on to the solution. So the answer is 4, but why? Because the t is equals to 0 and V input equals to 0, the V input is going to be directly proportional to time. So given it is given to us, so if the input voltage increases, the time increases, and if the time increases, the input voltage increases. Okay, so the Zener diode maintains constant breakdown voltage, so it is going to be answer 4. Thank you.